Let's also talk about exactly what happens now with him. Neha continues to be with us. His lawyers' teams that have also reached as shortly he's expected to be taken out for medical tests. We are told that as far as his bail plea hearing is concerned, that was scheduled for today, his anticipatory bail. But in all likelihood, that may become infructuous now that he has been arrested. He's been taken into custody. Of course, we heard that coming right from the State Home Minister himself, who has been saying that an arrest warrant has been issued and the law will be taking its own course. Neha, that means as far as his anticipatory bail plea is concerned, that will hold no grounds because he's been already arrested.
Well, you're absolutely right, Amita. The anticipatory bail plea that Prajwal Revanna's legal counsel had filed 2 days ago before his arrival in Bengaluru would not hold legal ground anymore for the simple fact that he's already been arrested right now. They would, of course, have to file another petition here. While we tried asking the advocate about that, of course, rather reluctant there to react, but he did say that all legal procedures are being followed at the moment. Remember, of course, what we also know today is that there are going to be a lot of developments in court right now from the fact that the police, of course, the SIT has seen, has, of course, sought the quashing of the bail that was granted to his father, H.D. Revanna. The fact that, the advocate's legal counsel may be applying for bail possibly again today. And the fact that Bhavani Revanna had also moved court right now seeking, anticipatory bail. Possibly now she's, foreseen that there could be some trouble now coming her way as well in all of this, which is why she had also moved the court. Remember, of course, Amita, it's one thing that Prajwal Revanna has been arrested and the police would be probing, him, the police would be investigating him. But the domino effect of this on all of the family members as well is something that's now being brought into the picture here, as each of them have been rushing to the court seeking anticipatory bail or bail.
Right, but what happens with the SIT probe? Because Neha, we saw that picking pace as far as the searches that went on for several hours at the MP quarters is concerned. You can also talk about yesterday when you were in Hassan, how the civil rights activists have been saying and demanding that he be arrested post landing in India, and exactly that is what has happened now.
Of course, the police at this point wouldn't really like to, lose out on any evidence. We saw them earlier, the team of the SIT that had visited Hassan as well, where they were collecting evidence from the MP quarters of Prajwal Revanna there. They've collected what we did pick up earlier from our sources was bedsheets, pillows, pillow covers, and a lot of other articles were also collected from the house there. Possibly, of course, they would be checking for DNA from this is what we are being told. And with that also, it's going to be imperative now the medical test, because the fact is that there are rape allegations against the MP here, and how this progresses forward now, we'll really have to wait and see. But, one thing, of course, Amita, is that it's not really looking good right now for the MP, given the fact that he did, of course, try evading the law for a very long time now. We saw efforts that were put in by the state, by the centre as well, to try and bring him back.
All right, but Neha, thank you very much for all of those updates. Live movement that is now taking place outside the SIT. We're expecting that he'll be taken out for a medical check.